Good morning, everybody. Mr. Eric here. Today we are learning about how to sign up for your own Scratch program. First of all, this is scratch.mit.edu. Once you have navigated to the website, if it is not in your preferred language, scroll down to the bottom, and down here it will allow you to change the language that you want. So I'm going to choose English here, and then we go ahead and join Scratch. Once you join up Scratch, it will set up with a set of prompts. You create your own username. I already have an account, so I'm just going to use some dummy information here. So Mr. Eric, let's see if that works. It says I can't use full stops, so I will take that out. It says you can't have spaces either, so I will take the space out, and it will accept that as my name. You go ahead and put the password in, or a password, choose a password. So I'm just going to pick password for now, just to obviously show you. Down here has to be something that is the same too. Doesn't like the too easy guess. Let's put something on the end of that. Clicking next, you then just follow the prompt. So you go ahead and choose the country that you are in, and you select your birthday. I'm just going to choose something random at this point, and then you go ahead and choose your email address. This will help when you need to reset your account or anything like that. When you've forgotten your password, you create your account, and once you've created your account, when you go back to the beginning, you can sign in. Like I said, I already have an account, so I can sign in, and it will allow to take you straight to your account.